Hello, today we will guide you through how to find missing folder pane in Outlook 365. If your folder pane has disappeared, don't worry. This is usually just a view setting that got changed. The folder pane is the left-hand sidebar that lists your inbox, sent items, drafts, and any folders you've created. Bringing it back only takes a moment, and you can toggle it on or off whenever you need more screen space. Start by opening Outlook and making sure you're in Mail. You'll know you're in the right place if you can see your message list and reading area. Next, look to the very top of the window for the toolbar, often called the ribbon. Here, find the tab labeled View. If your window is narrow, you may need to maximize Outlook or expand the ribbon so the View tab is visible. Click the View tab to open the viewing options. This area controls how Outlook looks and what panels are visible, so it's where we'll restore the folder pane. Within View, locate the option called Folder Pane. It may appear as a button or a small drop-down menu. Click it to see the available choices. When the Folder Pane menu opens, hover your mouse over Folder List. This highlights the option that controls whether the folder list is displayed. Now click Show. As soon as you do, the left sidebar, the folder pane, should reappear, displaying your inbox, folders, and any pinned or favorite items. If you are missing shortcuts to specific folders, they'll be back in this panel as well. Take a moment to confirm it looks the way you want. You can resize the pane by dragging its edge, which is handy if your folder names are getting truncated. If your goal is to simplify your workspace or get a wider reading area, you can always come back to the same menu and choose Hide to collapse the folder pane again. That option removes the sidebar from view without deleting any folders. Everything stays intact and can be shown again later from the same view, folder pane, folder list path. To recap, you opened Mail, went to the View tab on the top toolbar, selected Folder Pane, hovered over Folder List, and clicked Show to bring the sidebar back. And if you ever need extra room, you use the same place to click Hide. With these quick adjustments, you can switch between a focused reading view and a full folder overview anytime. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in Outlook 365.